ازيكم. All things and components about solar energy systems, generating systems in this video. كل شيء عن توليد الطاقة الشمسية. This website, which is ensolar.com, all components here, from inverters, storage systems, charge controllers, converters, transformers, power optimizer, mounting systems, mounting system materials, tracker, cables, testers and sensors, detectors, cabinet box, this, and the battery enclosure, PV fuses, connectors for cables, monitoring systems, panel cleaning equipments, like you see, solar bell driving equipment, solar panel lifter, other components. So let's go here, inverters. There are about 1,397 type of inverters. Here, the company, the region of the company or the nationality of the company, and here also this thing is, if it's clean, it's okay, it's found. Power range, kilowatt power. Inverters, this is the company. Inverter Nox, Enver Energy, this is the name of the company. If you click here, you'll go to, I think, to the website of the company or the region. This is the website of the country, and if there is any useful links, all things are the country, the company, and this is the inverter which was manufactured with them. Okay, go back. Also, I designed a scraper for scrapping this data for storage systems, data for inverters, like this one, this inverter, this is, sorry, the scraper for scrapping data. Okay, so this will scrap the data and put it as this file in solar CSV, this one here. Okay, if you have any question, ask and I reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with others.